Welcome back to Driveline Daily, the home for every true car enthusiast who loves power, precision, and pure driving pleasure. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury coupes of the year, the 2026 Audi A5. If you thought the A5 was already a masterpiece, wait until you see what Audi has done this time. This isn't just a facelift, it's a complete evolution in design, technology, and performance. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Audi A5, you can tell it's crafted to turn heads. The new design language is sharper, bolder, and more aerodynamic than ever. The single-frame grille is wider and sleeker, while the new Matrix LED headlights give it an aggressive yet elegant stance. Every line on this car looks like it was drawn by an artist obsessed with perfection. The car sits on stunning 19-inch alloy wheels, and the coupe silhouette screams performance and sophistication. Step inside, and it's pure Audi luxury. The cabin is a blend of high-end materials, clean minimalism, and futuristic tech. You're greeted by Audi's new curved panoramic display that merges the digital cockpit and infotainment system seamlessly. Everything is touchscreen-based, smooth, and intuitive. The ambient lighting system adjusts with your driving mood, and the comfort seats with fine Nappa leather make you feel like you're in a private jet. And yes, the sound system, Bang & Olufsen, turns every drive into a concert on wheels. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A5 offers multiple powertrains to suit every driver. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder pushing out around 265 horsepower, while the S5 version packs a more thrilling 3.0-liter V6 turbo delivering over 380 horsepower. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures every bit of that power sticks to the road, giving you precise control in every corner. The acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds for the S5, not bad for a luxury coupe that also pampers you with comfort. Audi has also improved the suspension and handling with adaptive dampers, giving you the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking twisty backroads, the A5 feels composed, confident, and connected to the road like never before. Safety and technology are where Audi shines brightest. The A5 comes loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and even semi-autonomous driving in traffic jams. The virtual assistant has been upgraded, now responding faster and more naturally to your commands. When it comes to efficiency, Audi's mild hybrid system improves fuel economy while giving you a smoother start-stop experience. You'll get performance when you want it and efficiency when you need it, a perfect balance for modern luxury driving. At the end of the day, the 2026 Audi A5 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate sophistication with speed, elegance with emotion, and innovation with intention. Whether you're driving it to work or taking it for a weekend escape, this car ensures every moment behind the wheel feels special. If you love this deep dive into the 2026 Audi A5, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Driveline Daily, and turn on notifications so you never miss our exclusive car reviews, first looks, and test drives. Until next time, keep driving smart, stay passionate, and remember, every drive tells a story, and we're here to bring that story to life, only on Driveline Daily.